Welcome po ulit sa ating channel, ang Easy Math with Sir Toto. And today we will be solving again 5 random items sa General Education Mathematics. And these 5 items are previous questions in the licensure examination for teachers sa General Education Mathematics. But before that, sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, you can kindly subscribe to our channel. You can hit the notification bell for future uploads, and you can also like our videos so that patuloy po tayo makagawa ng mga video tutorial sa general education mathematics, and in the future we will be starting to produce tutorials for mathematics majorship. So let's start. So first question, this is item number 26. In how many ways can 6 people be seated at a round table? Is it A, 126, B, 120, C, 144, or letter D, 132? This question actually is a combination, it's a permutation problem. So this is a circular permutation. Ang ibig pong sabihin ng circular permutation, this is the total number of ways in which n distinct objects can be arranged around a fixed circle. Okay? Halimbawa po, kapag ang tao ay inaayos sa round table or sa merry-go-round, you will use circular permutation. At ang formula for circular permutation ay P permutation of n is equal to the quantity n minus 1 quantity factorial. Okay, so now we have to apply our formula dito sa ating problem so that we can solve for the solution. Okay, or the right answer. So dito, ang n is the number of objects po. Okay, so p sub n, this is equal to 6 minus 1 factorial dahil ang n natin dito ay 6. So that's 6 minus 1 factorial. Kapag isinusulat mo dyan, ang factorial is expressed as, kasi for example, ang answer 6 minus 1 factorial is equal to 5 factorial. Kapag i-break down mo yan, you have here 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that is what factorial means. So let's proceed. So we have here 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And if you're going to multiply that, you will get 120. At 120 ang ating answer sa question na ito, which is letter B. Okay, basta tandaan po kapag ang mga bagay ay inaayos sa isang fixed circle, ang ating pong gagamitin ay circular permutation formula, which is P of n is equal to n minus 1 factorial. So, napakadali po. So, let's proceed to ating item number 2, which is item number 27. How many ways can committee of 5 be selected from 9 people? Now, this is a combination problem dahil dito po, ang order po does not matter. Basta po makapag-select ka lang ng siyam na ng 5 tao sa kabuuan na siyam na tao. Merong siyam na tao, pipili ka ng 5. So, ilang ways? Okay. So, ang formula po ng ating combination is n combination r or NCR is equal to n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. Ang n po dito is the total ng mga taong pagpipilian mo at ang r naman is yung ilan ang pipiliin mo. Okay. So, here we have our n as 9. Ang n natin dito is equal to 9 at ang ating r naman is equal to 5. So, let's apply our formula that is 9 choose 5. So, 9 combination 5 that is equal to n factorial, which is ang n factorial natin is, ang n factorial is 9 factorial. Ang r naman natin, ito yung ilan ang pipili mo. So, pipili tayo ng 5. So, that's 5 factorial. Tapos, 9 minus 5 factorial. So, if you're going to expand this one, you have 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 multiplied by 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So 4 factorial. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, pwede ka nang mag-cancel dito. Ito pa lang pwede ka nang mag-cancel. You can cancel out 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You can cancel out 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, 9 choose 5 will be equal to 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 all over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? So, this will be equal to 3024 over 24. And if you were going to divide that, 9C5 is simply equal to 126. And 126 is letter A. So, that's the answer for our second item. Let's go to our third item. Our third item is a very common question in the licensure examination for teachers. If July 12, 2003 fell on a Tuesday, on what day will July 12, 2005 fall? Is it A, Friday, B, Thursday, C, Sunday, or letter D, Monday? Atin pong tatandaan na meron pong 365 days sa isang ordinary year. Kapag normal year lang yan, meron tayong 365 days. At kapag leap year, meron tayong 366. Constant po yan at hindi po yan nagbabago. Kaya dapat natin po yung tandaan palagi. Ngayon, kung i-divide mo itong 365 by 7, dahil um, ang isang linggo ay mayroong 7 araw, um, meron kang 365 over 7 is equal to 52 remainder 1. At atin pong tatandaan ulit na ang leap year ay nag-occur lamang every 4 years. At ang malalaman mo na ito ay leap year kapag ito ay divisible by 4. Say for example, 2000. Year 2000, this is divisible by 4. So, this is a leap year. 2004, yan po, divisible din yan. Pag 2006, hindi po yan divisible kasi 20 is 5, 0, ang 6 po hindi divisible. Okay? So, 2016, ito divisible din to kasi 20 divided by 4 is 5 and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So, ganyan po. Basta divisible by 4 ang year, ito ay isang leap year. Okay? So, kapag leap year naman, it will be 366 divided by 7 dahil mayroong 7 araw sa loob ng isang linggo. Ang sagot mo ay 52 remainder 2. Okay? Remainder 2. So, ibig pa lang sabihin sa ibig pa lang sabihin kapag ordinary year, magdadagdag ka lang ng isa at kapag leap year naman, 2 days ang idadagdag mo. Say for example, ang July 12, 2023, Tuesday, kapag ang susunod niya is 2004, so this is divisible by 4, magdadagdag ka ng 2 araw from Tuesday. Okay? So, kung ordinary year naman, magdadagdag ka lang ng isa. Okay. So now, since July 12, 2003 is a Tuesday at ang July 12, 2004 is dahil leap year ang 2004, 2 days ang idadagdag mo. At ang July 12, 2015 naman is an ordinary year, so magdadagdag ka lang ng isa. So all in all, meron kang idadagdag na 3 araw. So dahil Tuesday ito magdagdag ng isa. Tuesday, you have Wednesday, Thursday, at saka Friday. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So this means that July 12, 2005 falls or will fall or falls on a Friday. Okay? So ang tamang sagot dito ay letter A. Let's proceed to sa ating item number 4. Ang ating item number 4, the distance between two towns in a given map is 2 and 3/4 centimeter. If 1/2 centimeter represents 6 kilometer, what is the distance between the two towns? Is it A, 18 kilometers, B, 33 kilometers, C, 36 kilometers, or letter D, 42 kilometers? So, sabi sa problem natin dito, ang distance daw is sa 2 and 3/4 daw siya. So, kung ang 1/2 centimeter is equal to 6 kilometer, ilan ang total distance ng route? Ngayon, para malaman natin kung ilang 6 kilometer meron sa 2 and 3/4, kailangan natin i-divide ang 2 and 3/4 sa um, 1/2. Ngayon, i-convert muna natin ito sa um, improper fraction. So, para makapag-divide tayo. So, this is Um, 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3. This is 11 over 4. Tapos, para kapag pag nagdi-divide tayo ng fraction, atin lamang pong i-reverse ang ating divisor and then let's proceed to multiplication. So, we have here times 2 over 1. Ayan, let's proceed to multiplication. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So, 11 times 2 is 22 over 4. And if you are going to divide that, you will have 5 and 1/2 or 5.5. Pero hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Meron tayong 5.5 na 1/2 centimeter sa 2 and 3/4 centimeter. Ngayon, dahil ang 1/2 centimeter is equal to 6 kilometer, i-multiply naman natin ang 5.5 to 6 kilometers. Therefore, we will get 33 kilometers. At ito po ang ating final answer, and that is letter B. And lastly, we have here a square and an equilateral triangle have equal perimeter. If the side of the square is 3 units less than the side of the triangle, what is the area of the square? Is it A, 100 square units, B, 81 square units, C, 144 square units, or letter D, 64 square units? Now, in solving word problems, kailangan po natin talagang mag-analyze, kailangan natin mag-underline, mag-insert, or tandaan, at isipin natin kung ano ang hinihingi ng question. Kaya tandaan din po natin yan. Sabi niya, ang square, ang equilateral have equal perimeter. Ano ba ang perimeter? This is the uh, outermost line enclosing a polygon. So, halimbawa, equilateral daw ang triangle. Equilateral. So, itong length na to is equal daw sa perimeter din ng equilateral of a square. So, ang square, alam naman natin na parehas ang measure ng side na yan. Ito, parehas din ang measure na yan. Pero, ang pinakamahalaga dito, itong sukat na to is equal sa sukat na to. Okay, so ano ba ang mga formula ng dalawang figure na yan? Ang perimeter ng triangle is simply equal to 3s. Ito 3s ito dito. At ito naman ay 4s. Okay? Dahil tatlong sides na parehas, kapag tinutawag mo yan, you will have 3s. So, yan ang perimeter niya. Dito naman ay 4s dahil may apat na side. Okay? So, dahil hindi pa natin alam ang length ng side, let x be the side of the equilateral triangle para makuha natin mamaya ang kanyang perimeter. At ang x minus 3 naman, dahil sabi dito, the side of the square is 3 units less than the side of the triangle. So, dahil x ito, we write x minus 3, the side of the triangle. Or the square, rather. Okay. Now, since the perimeter of the square is equal to the perimeter of the triangle, we write 4s is equal to 3s. Ito na yung mga kinuha natin kanina. Pero may dapat ka ditong alalahanin na ang side ng square is x minus 3. Dahil siya ay 3 units less than the side of the triangle. Okay? So, i-represent na natin ang x, ang side of an equilateral triangle. Let it be x. Tapos, ang side ng square is 3x. So, 4 times x minus 3 is equal to 3x. So, let's distribute the 4. We have 4x. 4 times the x is 4x. And 4 times minus 3 is negative 12 is equal to 3x. Ngayon, ang gagawin mo lang dito ay mag-minus ka dito ng 3x para mag-minus ka rin dito ng 3x and then plus 12 and plus 12 para makancel mo to makancel mo rin to ang 4x minus 3x is equal plus negative 3x is equal to x is equal to 12. At anong side ito? Ito ay ang side ng equilateral triangle. Ang hinahanap natin ay ang area of the square. So, since this is a triangle, alam natin dito na ang x minus 3 is the side of the square. So, 12 x minus 3, this is equal to 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. So, ito yung side ng ating square. Nakuha natin ang side ng square. So, ano ba ang formula ng area of the square? Formula ng area of the square is equal to A is equal to S squared. So, alam na natin na ang S, ang side ng square is 9. So, we simply substitute A is equal to 9 squared. So, A is equal to 81 square units. And that is letter B. So, ayan. Natapos na po natin ang ating 5 item. Hopefully po, meron kayong natutunan. If you have some questions or clarifications, you can comment down your questions or clarifications sa ating comment box so that I can always get back to you and clear out your questions and clarifications. Sana po may natutunan kayo na magagamit ninyo sa kukunin ninyong exams in the future. And thank you very much. Until next time.